Sellers ask me all the time how to prepare their home for the market, and there's two approaches that I tell them they could take. The one way is to hire contractors, and sometimes those sellers want to do a complete remodel, and we're talking kitchens, bathrooms, flooring, painting, all of that kind of stuff. But other times sellers say, no, I want to be the most cost-effective as possible. What are the three things that I can do that won't cost me a lot of money but will increase the value of my home? There's really three things. The first thing that I tell them to do is a massive declutter. Pretend that you're moving because you are. Do a huge declutter on anything in your home that's not essential. You want buyers to be able to picture themselves in your home, and they can't do that when it's so filled with all of your things. The second thing that I recommend is bring in a cleaning crew. They do such a phenomenal job of getting every nook and cranny in the home. Think about that feeling when you step into a clean car. You want those buyers to feel that same way whenever they step into your home. And the third thing that I tell them is that curb appeal is so important. And so invest in a landscaper or in power washing to make the first impression of your home when the buyers are walking up, make them say wow, so that they have a positive experience while they're walking through the rest of your home.